Hi, my name is Michael Johnson, I'm a Gypsy Traveller. I'm going to show people today how to cook a Bacon Rasher Pudding. Okay, then the basic ingredients we need today to cook a Bacon Rasher Pudding is bacon, onions, tomatoes, oxo cube, the original suet, shredded beef suet, and self-raising flour, salt and pepper. First thing we need to do is to make the bacon pudding is 2 cups of flour, and half a pack of suet, mix it up with half a cup of water, and add more if you feel necessarily along when you're mixing the dough up. Okay, with the dough, you need it quite a bit for about 10 minutes. Then flatten it out, get a roller pin and flatten it out into a nice square to where we can roll the bacon and that inside. You can roll it over and over. After we do the dough, we slice the bacon up and then put it straight on top of the dough. Okay, after we put the bacon on top of the dough, we then chop up 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, chop them up fine and put that on top of the bacon. Roll it over, more or less like a Swiss roll. I don't know if you've seen a Swiss roll before, but it's going to be rolled over like that, then wrapped into tin foil, 3 lots of tin foil. Next step with the pudding is to put it into a pan of hot water, turn it over every half hour and add water every half hour to keep it topped up. When you're cooking a Bacon Rasher pudding, through the stages you can add garlic, you can add some mushrooms. Back in the old days when these first started, there wasn't a lot of money for individual veg, so whatever you add, you'd be putting it into the pudding. Today's days with Bacon Rasher puddings, people experiment on it a little bit more. Like if you don't like tomatoes with the seeds in, we put tomato puree, and if you don't like too much of the garlic, we only use a little bit of garlic. You can add on in there whatever you like really, but don't overdo it. Stage 2, when the pudding's done, you can lift it up like that. There's many ways of taking this out, this pudding, and you can lift it up, make sure you put the spoon underneath, give it a couple of minutes to cool down, and then take that off by hand. Let's seal the foil. Like I say, you can have roast potatoes with this, peas. Today we've made a bit of mash. It's got plenty of salt and pepper in there. Don't add no more salt and pepper from the ingredients we've given you. Well, there you go, guys. There's Michael Johnson's Gypsy Rasher Pudding. Also a bit of mash. Enjoy. Okay, thanks everybody. This is if you're cooking any of this at home, please can you put it on the Friendly Food Club on Facebook. Thank you.